Buy all your Willys and Jeep restoration parts at JeepsterMan.com, because we're not just Jeepsters anymore.
Ralph Rupert. I'm from Michigan, and this is a 1960 Willys pickup. I found this one at an estate auction. It took me 2 years to build it. It's got the 6.226 Hurricane in it. It's standard engine. I think they call it 105 horse. I took this out, cleaned it up, put a head gasket on it, painted it, put it back in. I'm running it. Originally it only had about 50,000 miles on it.
Oh wow.
Runs smooth.
How fast does this truck run?
I got overdrive on it, and it'll run 70. It likes 55, 60 mile an hour. It's real comfortable. But if you need to, you can go 70 with it, but only with the overdrive. We've got pretty much a standard interior.
Oh, and you're in this, right?
Yes, I'm in the Holy Toledo calendar, and this September. So this is
right there.
Yep. So if you want any details, you can look up a Holy Toledo calendar. It's in there.
I like the interior. Did you do all that yourself?
I had an interior guy do it, but what we did is we covered all of the cardboard with the vinyl, the same vinyl we used on the seat, to make it all uniform. But yeah, that's the original color was very close. It was a gray interior.
It looks sharp.
This one here, we actually took the trim, this off from a 1961, just so we could two-tone it.
Oh, okay. Oh, that's
It was originally a solid color, and we put that trim on there, and then we used the same two-toning that you'd have on a 61.
It looks sharp. And your tailgate looks really good too.
Tailgate, I used the standard tailgate, and the guy that did my painting is kind of an artist, and he wanted to put skulls and crossbones and graveyard scenes, and I said, well, I'll give you the liberty to do this with it. So he did change the four-wheel drive, dressed it up a little bit, and he put a WO on the other side. But of course this is the stock Jeep that you have on the back. And then we put a bumper off from a station wagon with the Willys embossed in it, and so that gives us, you know, something more of a hot rod look than more than an industrial feeling. Yeah. This had a big diamond plate bumper going around it. Oh. The farm look, and we wanted something a little dressier.
It's definitely snazzier. I saw one earlier that had the Willys that was you could turn on at night.
Yeah.
And it glue red. Whatever the Jeepster was over there.
That would be cool.
Yeah, it was pretty neat.
And we went to a 750 16 BF Goodrich tire. They're making a 750R 16 now. We like it. It fits right in there. It's a nice, it's a skinny tire, and yet it's a nice tall tire to give us some speed.
So is this your last truck you're doing? Because I know you're renowned for making these trucks like brand new, right?
Yeah, I've been at this about 11-12 years, and it takes 2 years to build one, and then it takes a year to forget. And you forget about all the hassles you went through and getting things done. So I take a year off, and then usually I'll find an orphan beside the road, and then we start all over again. But I just enjoy building them as much as driving them.
Well, it looks really good. It looks really good. Cool, thanks.
Okay, thank you.
To get a free copy of the Willys and Jeep Restoration Parts catalog from the JeepsterMan, go to www.thejeepsterman.com and order your free copy today.